There we go. There it is. Looks pretty nice. Oh, hi.
Hi.
We're up early this morning. Why are we up early?
We're gonna smoke the meatza. Today we're gonna smoke our venison summer sausage that we just made up and stuffed, and we're gonna get the grill going right now.
So what are you doing there?
Lighting the grill. What are you doing?
Lighting your sidecar?
This is my smoker portion of the grill.
I like calling it the sidecar.
Sidecar, yeah. Helps if you have it in the right slot. So we got the old sidecar going here. I just got a little bit of charcoal on it. We're gonna get a base going. I'm gonna go split some wood, and this is gonna be a cold smoke. So we get a cold smoke going on here for I think about 2-3 hours. 3 hours, 4 hours, maybe 5. I don't know. Our next problem is I don't think our sausage will actually fit on the grill. I just threw some maple twigs on the grill. I think we got enough heat in the grill. You want to go get that meat?
Yep. We got the sausages. Alright, here we go.
That's a whole lot of meats there.
We have the meats.
Really just have to watch our temperature throughout the day. Once we get a little warmer in here, then we'll just change over to all wood. We'll put on a base of oak or maple, whatever I can find, and smoke with apple wood. So with my smoker, I got my fire over here on this side, and the fire gets this side of the grill hotter than this side. So I'm going to take the meat that's on this side right now and just flip-flop it, switch it around a little bit here, so I can get some of this meat about the same temperature as this meat over here. We've been going for 2.5 hours now on the smoking, and I have not lifted the lid, so let's take a peek and see what this stuff looks like. Oh yeah.
Smoky.
Yep. So I'm gonna take this stuff here. Ooh, that's hotter than
Do you need tongs?
No, we're just gonna try to switch this stuff. I'm gonna roll it once too, because this grill, by rights, we should be hanging this meat, but we really can't with the grill.
That's a hint that he needs a smoker. I've gotten lots of those lately.
So we're just gonna do a flippy here. All we're doing right now is smoking the meat. We're not cooking the meat, so we're really not worried about temperature, cooking temperature, or anything like that yet. So we're just trying to get a good smoke on. But I don't want this side to get overdone. Yeah, that one right there's hot. You can feel that. These here are just pieces of apple wood. And then I just throw a briquette on. Just a piece of charcoal every once in a while. Just like that. Let it go for another couple hours here, and then we'll get some heat going to it. Okay, now what we're doing.
Get wood.
This is the easiest wood pile I've ever had to cut and stack.
Why can't we grow more trees right here by the woodshed?
Yeah, I don't know. Had a big limb fall out of this tree, landed right here, which happens to be right next to my wood pile here, so it's awesome. Just cut it up and throw it on the stack. And we got another dead limb over there I just cut up. We're gonna do the same thing.
Forget to finish that one?
That was an incomplete cut.
Yeah.
Oops.
Complete.
Nice.
Ta-da! It's like bonfire tonight.
Yeah. What you up to?
Oh, I'm going to clean out the chicken coop.
Why?
It gets dark at 5 o'clock at night. They're in there a lot more, pooping a lot more on their roofs. So it's a mess.
Gave him a little bit of pumpkin there. Little treat. And I'm gonna go and turn the compost. Yay! Is that the only one? Or you got more?
Oh, I have more.
Okay.
There's some poopy chickens. Some poopy chickens.
Candace decided to talk me into moving some roosts around, so that's what we're doing. Like that high?
Yeah.
Okay. Aw.
Are you serious?
Oh, I might have juice for one more here.
I know, they're talking. Hi.
I think I'm one screw short. Okay, let's go get a battery and some screws.
There's some ornery birds in here.
Yeah, they're getting, I think they're a little frustrated because
we're messing around in here.
we're screwing with them, so. Yeah?
Yeah.
Just like that?
Yeah.
It's crooked. There you go, chickies. What do you think? You got
You like it? We got some new
a
roosts
couple
in
little
here.
roofs for you. One more room.
Yeah, I like it.
Alright. I'm tired of breathing chicken poop. We had just a little bit left over when we were packing, what do you call it?
Stuffing
our casings.
There you
from
go.
sausage. So we just had a little bit left over when we were stuffing our casings, so I just kind of made it in a little log and put it in the oven. And I think it's done. We're gonna cut her open and see what she tastes like. So that's a Yule log right there, now, isn't it?
Smells good.
So we're just gonna cut into it here a little bit. All right.
Let's see how it looks on the inside.
Here's yours. Meaty.
Hot. It's hot.
It is hot. Yeah, I don't think the kids are gonna like that.
Good, more for us.
That's really good.
It is really good. You can probably hear me chewing and swallowing on camera.
That's okay. Not too salty at all. That's what I was worried about. It was gonna be salty.
Mm-hmm.
It's not salty. This here is gonna be a little bit different tasting than what we made out on the grill because we've smoked that. I did put liquid smoke in this just to try to give it a little kick, but you can kind of taste it in there. It's not overly powering, but this is good sausage.
That's very good.
Well, I think this stuff's done, so we're just gonna We're gonna cut into one real quick and just test it.
There we go. There it is. Looks pretty nice. Guess it looks like real sausage you buy at the store, huh?
Oh, imagine that. It is smoky.
Tastes pretty good. 2 thumbs up.